If you never liked traditional fruitcake, well, this one might change your mind. This fruitcake can be made any time of the year. You don't have to wait till Christmas. Hello and welcome to Life of Pang. I was looking for a variety of dry fruits that I like, but I could not find them. But this gift tray had it all. This fruitcake was on my list of video to do, but a viewer just requested it as well. So it's good timing. Thanks, Mel Chiefy. I'm sorry, but I probably butcher your name. If you would like to see other recipe, please put it in the comment below. Now I did use these fruits, but you can use whatever dry fruits you like. It doesn't have to be exactly like these. You'll need about 3 cups, and then cut them into bite-sized pieces. If you like my videos and my recipes, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I upload every Saturday. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and notification bell for upcoming recipes. In a bowl, sift the dry ingredient together. If you do not have all these spices, just use what you have on hand. Make sure you mix it well until it's well blended. And to start the batter, we'll mix the butter and sugar for about a minute. It should be a creamy and light color. Then add in 1 egg at a time as you mix. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of your favorite jam, and it should be rounded like this. I'm using strawberry and orange, but use whatever you like. The orange extract is to add additional flavor. If you don't have it, you can skip it. And start by just adding half of your flour and half of the milk, and just fold it with the spatula. Now add all the flour and all the milk. Once you add the flour, don't overmix it. Dump in all your fruits and nuts. I like my fruitcake to not be so dry, so I'm adding apple juice. You can omit this if you want a drier fruitcake, or if you want alcohol, you can go ahead and add rum or brandy. Line your pot with baking paper or grease it with oil or butter. And spread the batter to the bottom and to the side, but don't press it hard, just smooth it out. Now let's bake. I'm leaving my timer on so you can see how long my rice cookers stay on this cook status. Let's check after the 3rd bake. And we still have batter stuck to the toothpick, so let's do 1 more bake. Now this is after the 4th bake. And it's done. Let your cake cool for about 20 to 30 minutes before cutting it. It will probably slice better if you let it cool overnight as well. But hey, I just can't wait, so let's cut into this one. And look at all the fruit in this cake. Now this is what you call a fruit cake. Definitely try it. You'll love this updated fruit cake. Even the kids will love this. If you like my videos and my recipes, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and notification bell for future videos. I upload every Saturdays, so until next week, happy baking in your rice cooker. If you didn't get enough of deliciousness, then check out my other recipes right here, or binge watch my playlist for more deliciousness.